Hey, I'm just gonna hold on to your gun for a little bit, okay? Is that cool with you? Okay. Oh, you good, man. It just makes me nervous when I see guns, you know what I mean? Oh, you good, man.
During a late-night patrol in Cobb County, police stopped a gray Jeep Trackhawk going 105 miles per hour in a 60 miles per hour zone. The driver, Playboi Carti, known for his influence on the younger generation and his unique style and the way he dresses, admitted he was speeding due to family issues. Officers spotted a loaded Glock in the passenger seat that Carti forgot to mention. Was this just another routine stop, or did his fame play a role in how things went down? Let's take a closer look.
Hey, I'm Officer Moon with Cobb County Police. The reason why I'm stopping you is for speed. I got you going 165. Any reason why you're going so fast, man? Okay, what y'all got going on at the house? I mean, there's a reason why you're speeding so quick, right? I'm sorry? Oh, I got you, okay. You still stay in Fulton County? Okay, alright, just give me a second, okay? Hey man, you got any insurance on the car? You do have insurance? Do you mind showing it to me? Because on my side, on my end, it's showing that you don't have insurance. That's registration. I think this is just an inventory of all the stuff that came with the car. You have anything with a, that's also registration. Yeah, that's registration. Huh? No, you need insurance. Oh, cool. No, that's not it, man. Hey, do me a favor. Go ahead and call the insurance company. Try to get this car insured, okay? Yeah, but do you have anything that you can show me right now? That's the thing. I'm not trying to tow your car. Okay. You don't. You said your insurance card's at home? I'm sorry. Okay. But, okay, is there any reason why it's not showing up on my end, though? Do you have something on your phone that you can show me? Gotcha. Okay. Hey, do me a favor and go and step out the car for me, okay? Huh? Yeah, just step out the car for me, okay? I'm just not comfortable with seeing that gun laying right there, okay? No, I got you. Hey, hold on. Is there any more guns in the car? No, that's it. You mind if I open this door real quick? Okay. You unlock the door for me? Hey, I'm just gonna hold on to your gun for a little bit, okay? Is that cool with you? Okay. Oh, you good, man. It just makes me nervous when I see guns, you know what I mean? Oh, you good.
Was Playboi Carti in the wrong for not telling the officer about the gun laying on the passenger seat, or was it just an honest mistake?
I'll grab that bullet in a second. Just give me... Alright, just give me a moment. I'll be right back, okay? So cool with me. Like I said, I just got to verify that you got insurance. As soon as I'm able to verify that you got insurance, I'll cut you a ticket and just get you on the way. Just letting you know, I've got a wrecker on the way now. They'll be here in about maybe 20 minutes or so. And if they're, a wrecker, like a towing company? Huh? Well, if it gets here and you're not able to produce insurance by the time it gets here, you know what I'm saying? Because I can't allow the car to drive without valid insurance in the car, because I got to make sure it's valid first. No, I see that. Yeah, I mean, you got brand new stickers and everything on it. I can see that. But either way, like I said, it's good. But I'll give you a second, man, and I'll be right back, okay?
You're on the main channel.
What's up, man? You mind if I see it? Okay, cool. All right, just give me a second. I'll get you out of here, okay?
Cover.
4316, cancel 85.
4316.
316, cancel 85, please.
Cover.
West Final South, just prior to Delk Road, 4280, India Papa, 9 Papa. Thanks.
4117, 10-9 most, 28th only.
Sierra, India Papa, 9556.
10-4.
All right, boss. Hey, I'm just gonna put this in your back seat, okay? I'm sorry? I'm sorry? I can't hear you. Well, just because it's just so it's out of your reach for now, and just for my safety, you know what I mean? Yeah. So look, a lot of times I cut people warnings or I even slow it down, but because you were going so fast, I can only do so much, okay? So you're gonna have a court date here if you want to dispute in court. If not, just flip it around back. You just follow the instructions and then just pay the fees online. Before I let you go though, if you can verify all your information here is correct, such as your name, date of birth, and address. Everything look good? Okay, that's for you. Do you have any questions for me? Okay, and also your, I think your card's right here too. All right, man, drive safe, okay?
In the end, Playboi Carti was let go with just a speeding ticket. Was it because he's famous, or did the officer genuinely see no reason for further action? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before I pull you over next.